You've been chatting online. Maybe it started with text messages, maybe video calls, maybe it was through a language app or social media. You've shared stories, laughed at jokes, maybe even talked late into the night. And now, it's real. You're meeting face to face for the very first time. Your heart is beating fast. You're excited. But your English feels slow. Your mouth is dry. What if you say something weird? What if your mind goes blank? Don't worry. That nervous energy is completely normal. The good news? You don't need perfect English. You just need a few natural phrases, a calm start, and a willingness to enjoy the moment. Let's walk through what to say and how to feel comfortable when meeting someone in person for the first time. Let's begin with the first moment, the greeting. They walk toward you. You smile. Maybe you wave. Maybe you hug. Maybe just a handshake. All are fine. Then comes the first sentence, the one that sets the tone. The easiest, most natural thing to say is, "Hey, it's so good to finally meet you in person." You can also say, "Hi, wow, this feels kind of crazy, right?" "Hey, you look just like your profile picture." That's a playful, friendly joke. "Hi, I feel like I already know you." These opening lines are simple, real, and warm. They don't feel too formal or too serious. The other person might say, "You too, this is so nice," or "I was a little nervous," or "It's so good to see you in real life." Boom! You're both smiling. You've started. And now you just need to keep the conversation going. Let's move to the next few minutes. This part is all about settling in, finding comfort, breaking the ice. Here are some natural things you can say. "I wasn't sure what to wear. I almost changed my outfit 5 times. I got here a little early and walked around a bit." "You picked a great place. This cafe looks really cute." This feels weird and normal at the same time. These kinds of comments are simple observations. They're not deep topics, but they help create a relaxed feeling. If you want to start with a compliment, that's always welcome. Just keep it casual. Your voice sounds exactly like in the videos. "You look great. I love your jacket. Very cool." "I like your energy. It's just like online." Genuine, short, and kind is the key. Now comes the part where you start talking about your surroundings or the journey. You can say, "Was it easy to find this place? How was the train, bus, drive? Did you have to travel far? Is this area familiar to you?" Or just share your own little story. "I almost got lost on the way here. I passed by this bookstore and now I want to go back. I was scared I'd be late, but I got lucky with traffic." Stories like these help you sound natural and human, and they usually lead to more conversation. What about when there's a silence? Don't panic. Silence doesn't mean something's wrong. It just means you're both adjusting. That's normal. If there's a pause, you can smile and say, "This is so funny. My mind is blank now that we're actually face to face. Okay, let me think. What was I supposed to say first? I feel like I had a list of things to tell you, and I forgot them all." These comments break the silence without making it awkward. And usually they make the other person laugh and relax. Let's say you want to start talking about something more personal or deeper. You can do that step by step. You might say, "So, is this what you expected? How does it feel to meet in person after all this time?" What's the biggest difference between online and real life? Are you more shy in person or online? These questions help you move beyond small talk into real connection. They're not too deep, but they open the door. And what if your English isn't perfect? Here's the truth. It doesn't matter. You can always say, "Sorry if I mess up sometimes. My brain is still switching from my first language. Just let me know if it's something I say sounds strange. I'm still learning. Sometimes I forget the word, but I'll find a way to explain it." And guess what? Most people admire that honesty. It shows confidence, not weakness. If you forget a word, try this. It's like when you feel happy and tired at the same time. What's that called? Or it's the thing you use to, mix things in the kitchen. Just describe. Keep going. Don't stop. The goal is not perfection. The goal is connection. Let's imagine a short scene now. You meet someone from a language app. You've been talking for 3 months. This is your first real-life meeting. You see them, smile, and say, "Hey, finally, we meet in 3D. They laugh. You shake hands, sit down, and say, "This cafe is even cuter than the photos." Was it easy to find? I was worried I'd be late. There was a cat blocking the road. True story. They smile and say, "You're just as funny in real life." You take a sip of your drink. There's a short silence. You say, "Okay, this is the moment when my brain goes completely blank." They laugh again. And now, you're not strangers anymore. You're two real people sharing a real moment. Meeting someone in real life for the first time can feel like a test, but it's not. It's a beginning. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up, smile, speak, and enjoy the moment. The phrases in this lesson aren't fancy. They're not advanced, but they're real. They work. So the next time you're about to meet someone from the internet, don't panic. Just say, "Hi, it's so good to finally meet you." Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.